If you want to learn how to log into your x.com or Twitter account, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to sign in safely and get back into your account without any confusion. Whether you use X on a desktop computer or you're just trying to access your account in your browser, this guide will make the process easy to follow. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you like. In the address bar, go to the official X website or the Twitter website. Make sure you are visiting the correct official page before entering any information, because that helps keep your account secure. Once the X login page loads, you'll see a field where you can begin signing in. Here, enter the username, email address, or phone number that is linked to your account. Use whichever option you normally use for your account recovery and login. After you enter that information, click Next. At this point, X will move you to the password screen. Now type in your password carefully. Double check for spelling, capitalization, and any mistakes because passwords are case sensitive. Once your password is entered, click Login or Continue, depending on what button appears on your screen. If the details are correct, you should be signed into your X or Twitter account within seconds. If you don't get in right away, take a moment to verify that your email, phone number, or username is correct, and make sure your password is current. If needed, you can use the Forgot Password option on the login page to recover access. And that's it! You've now learned how to log into your x.com or Twitter account using the official website. It only takes a few moments once you know the steps. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more how-to videos, and I'll see you in the next one.